Hi everyone, my name is Marthi G. I am the student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Subject Introduction to Python Programming. Subject code BPLCK105B. Section 1. Today I will discuss about an example, explain how to create a file in different modes and folders creation using Python programming. Introduction. Python provides several modes to create a file such as read, write, append and binary modes. The open function is used to create a file object and specify the mode. Folders creation is in Python is done using the OS module. Creating a file in write mode. To create a new file in write mode, use the mode argument w with the open function. If the file already exists, it will be overwritten. Example file is equal to open of example dot text comma w. Writing to a file in write mode. To write a file in write mode, use the write method of the file object. Example file comma write. This is an example test. The write method writes the specified text to the file. Closing the file. After performing operations on a file, it is important to close it using the close method. Example file comma close. Closing the file ensures that all changes are saved and resources are freed. Creating a file in read mode. To create a new file in read mode, use the mode argument R with the open function. Example file is equal to open of example test R. If the file does not exist, an error will occur. Reading from a file in read mode. To read the contents of a file in read mode, use the read method of the file object. Example content is equal to file read. The read method returns the entire content of the file as a string. Creating a file in append mode. To create a new file in append mode, use the mode argument a with the open function. Example file is equal to open example test a. If the file does not exist, it will be created. Appending to a file in append mode. To append text to an existing file in append mode, use the write method of the file object. Example file write of this is additional text. The write method appends the specified text to the end of the file. Creating a file in binary mode. To create a new file in binary mode, use the mode argument b with the open function. Example file is equal to open of example test wb. Binary mode is used to for non-text files such as images or audio files. Writing to a files in binary mode. To write binary data to a file in binary mode, use the write method with binary data. Example file dot write of b by x48 by x55 or x60 or x60 or x6f. The b prefix is used to indicate binary data. Creating a folder. To create a new folder directory in Python, use the mk direction function from the OS module. Example import os mk direct example folder. The mk direction function creates a new folder with a specified name. Checking if a folder exists. To check if a folder already exists, use the exit function from the OS path module. Example, import os.path os.path exist example folder. The exist function returns true if the folder exists and false otherwise. Creating nested folders. To create nested folders directories, use the mkdirectories functions with the desired path. Example, import os.mkdirect parent folder child or child path folder. The mkdirector function creates both the parent and child folder if they don't exist. Creating multiple folders. To create multiple folders at once, use the make directions function from the OS module. Example, import os.make directions folder 1 or folder 2 or folder 3. The make character functions creates all the specified folders in the given path. Handling folder create errors. When creating folders, errors can occur if the folder already exists or if the user does not have sufficient permissions. To handle such errors, use expressions handlers with a try except block. Example, import os try os.mk direction example folder except file exist error print of folder already exist. Summary: Python provides various modes to create files: write, read, append, and binary modes. The open function is used to create a file object and specify the mode. Folder creation in Python is done using the OS module. Example, creating a file. File is equal to open of example.testw. File comma write of this is an example file. File dot close. Your second bullet, your third bullet.